After watching this video, you will be able to enhance your photo clarity with AI. You will also learn how to restore color to black and white photos. Even your old photos, you can bring them back to life with the help of AI. You will also learn how to brighten dark photos with natural light. You will be using just one AI tool to do this. This AI is free and you are not paying for anything. I have used this AI tool for so many times to edit a lot of pictures. So if your pictures is black and white and you want to add color to it, you can restore color into the pictures by using this tool. And if you want to enhance your blurry with a very sharp and clear one, you can make use of this tool. This tool has a lot of benefits and I'm very happy to share this with you. But don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. So many AI tools like this will allow you to edit pictures, but for you to download these pictures, you will have to access the premium version, which means you have to pay before you can access the premium version. That is why these AI tools that I'm going to be showing you is one of the best AI tools to enhance your photo clarity for editing pictures, because this tool is totally free and you are going to download your edited photos for free without watermark and without accessing the premium plan.
So alright, you are welcome to my smartphone screen. So right now I am going to show you the step-by-step process on how to enhance your photo clarity, how to restore color to your photos, and how to brighten your photos. So here is the AI that I'm going to be using. So this app is what I'm going to be using to perform all this magic. So stick with me to the end of this video. So now, before I show you the step-by-step process, I'm going to show you what this app can do. So there are a lot of things that this app can do. So when you click on the AI stars down here, it's going to take you to where you are going to see other filter that you can use to edit your photos. So you can change your photo into a 3D cartoon, you can cartoonize your image. There are a lot of AI art that you can do over here. And over here you can also access different amazing wallpapers for your device over here. So you can download different wallpapers over here. You can just choose from these amazing ones that we have. So this is not what we are going to right now. Let's go straight to the point. So let me enhance one of my pictures for you. So to enhance your photo, you need to click on enhance over here and you are going to choose from your photos on your device. So I'm going for this one. So after clicking on the photos that you want to enhance, you are going to wait. So make sure you don't exit this screen, don't leave this app, or else it will stop the process. Right, so you wait for that to load, and after this load you can see that this is very amazing. This is amazing. Right, so and we click over here to save this image, and if you want to enhance a different photo, you are going to click on enhance a different photo. If you want to restore color to white and white photos, you click on this one, and to brighten your photo you click on this one. Right, so here is the name of this app. I'm going to leave a link to download this app in the comment section and in the description, so you can check that out. So if you found this video valuable to you, make sure you like this video, and if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe. Stay blessed.